Saving for my dream organizer, part 1. So every 2 days, I will get a random paper, and whatever number is in that paper is the amount of money I will put in my alkansya. If you're a Filipino, you will know what alkansya means. It's like a piggy bank. So let's get started. This is my alkansya. It's so dirty, but it's okay. I'll just need it for saving money. It's a tissue box, but it's okay for me because I don't have any more alkansya, so I will use this one for now. Let's get started. Let's shake it. Okay. Let's start. 1, 2. So here is the 2 papers. First one, 1 pesos. So here in the Philippines, instead of dollars, we call our money pesos. Dollars, bucks, everything, dollars, bucks, pesos is different. Let's try the second number. 4 pesos. Let's put it back. Let's get my 5 pesos. Because 4 plus 1 equals 5 pesos. So this is for coins. And this is for the paper monies. You know that. Let's get my 5 pesos. Oh, here's it. So here in the Philippines, this is 5 pesos. So in America, I don't know, but their 5 pesos is, I think it's brown, like, yeah. But here in the Philippines is silver. My cat wanna join. Let's put here the 5 pesos. First ipon. Bye guys! I hope you enjoyed this video. See you to the part 2.